Mrs. Patient, every cell in your body regenerates, every single cell. The question is, what are you regenerating? And if you're creating the environment inside your body to where you're turning up the genes of anti-inflammation and turning down the genes of inflammation, then your DNA, which is to have a perfect body, is going to reproduce a healthier cell. Everybody wants to be a 10. Everybody wants to be a 10. You know, I'm dating myself about the movie 10, but everybody wants to be a 10, right? We want perfect health. But realistically, right now, your GI tract may be functioning at a 5.2. I'm going to make it up, but a 5.2. Well, there's a premise in biology: like reproduces like. One cell reproduces an exact duplicate of itself. Now, wait a minute. You've got the genetics to be a 10. How come I'm reproducing a 5.2 for my new esophageal cell? Because the environment around that cell creates the type of new cell that you reproduce. And if you keep living the lifestyle that caused the degeneration down to a 5.2, you start functioning as a 5.1. And the 5.1 reproduces as a 5.1, and then a 4.9. Reproduces as a 4.9, and you function as a 4.8. Reproduces as a 4.8. That's the process of getting old, or a catabolic state. But now you've met Brendan. Now you've changed your life. Now you're looking at questions, you're making smarter decisions most of the time, you're moving in a direction, and now you're actually feeling a little better. I'm functioning as a 5.6. Well, that cell reproduces as a 5.6. And as you change the environment around the cell and that cell's functioning better, your function is a 5.7, you reproduce as a 5.7, and a 5.8, and a 5.9, and a 7.1, and a 7.4, and all of a sudden your symptoms are completely gone. But if you go eat the wrong stuff, you go back to a 6.2. Oh, there's my symptoms again. But then you get back up to a 7.4, and a 7.5, and a 7.6. And that's an anabolic state. That's a younger state. So it's all about creating the environment around your cells to reproduce healthier, stronger cells. That means you got to get the bad stuff out, detox up the wazoo, and you put the good stuff in.